Hello children, today we are going to learn the next new chapter in GK, that is lesson number 15, Seasons. Spelling of seasons, Seasons. A season is the period of a few months during which the weather conditions remain the same. India is a large country with various environmental setups. Each part of the country has a climate in a year. In India, there are four main seasons, namely summer, winter, monsoon, and spring. The impacts of each season varies from region to region. Being a tropical country, summers are intense in India. The four seasons in India. The four seasons of India are summer, winter, rainy, and spring season. Our country faces different phases of climate changes during each season. The summer season, the sunny season, tests our patience with the beating heat. The chilly rain season is enjoyable with the non-stop rains. The pleasant winter season induces us to go for a tour. Whereas the spring season is the happiest month for the farmers. The weather and climate in each season affects people both positive and negative ways. Still, people welcome each season for its own advantages and get ready to face the drawbacks of each season. Now, let us read about the first summer season. Summer season is the hottest season of the year. It runs from May to July. During summer, days are longer and nights are shorter. People wear light cotton clothes and enjoy cold drinks. We can experience hot winds during summer season. Intense heat can be seen in many parts of the country. The heat stroke is so high that many people die in many regions of our country. The sun shines to its extreme capability and people struggle a lot to go outside in summer. It is advisable to stay cool and eat watermelons, cucumber and water content rich food during hottest days. Drinking a lot of water, fresh juices and tender coconuts are also good to beat the heat. Next one, we have the winter season. Winter is the coldest season of the year. It runs usually from November to January. Days are shorter and nights are longer. People wear woolen clothes and enjoy hot drinks. The best thing about the month of June is that we can see the heat transforming. The winter season is followed by the rainy season. The seasons fall between the months. Unlike the other seasons, winter season is a very active season. People like the season because winter season is favorable for trips and hangouts. Fruits and vegetables can be found cheap and easily available during this season. The next one is monsoon season. It is the wettest season of the year. It runs usually from August to October. People wear raincoats and use umbrella to keep themselves dry. The best thing about this is that we can see the heat transforming into the breezy rains in many parts of the country. If rains are very heavy, there are chances that many regions will be easily flooded. Mango fruits are easily available during this season. And the last one is spring season. Spring is the most pleasant and colorful season of the year. It runs usually from February to April. Plants bear new leaves and flowers during this season. It is also called as the harvest season. Farmers are happy during this season since they can see the results of their long time hard work. Now there is one exercise given in your textbook. It is on page number 21. Read the words given below and write them in the correct season box. A word can go into more than one box. So let us first of all read the words which are given. First it says flowers, umbrella, rainbow, windy, cloudy, skiing, raincoat, woolen clothes, picnic, cold drinks, blanket, ice cream, hot, cotton clothes, cold, pleasant. So these are the words given in the box. Now we must match these words into the below given box. So that we have 4 boxes given down, that is summer, monsoon, winter and spring. So the first one is flowers. Now when do you see the flowers? We said that plants bear new leaves and flowers in which season? In spring season. So flowers are seen in, we can associate it with spring season. Second one, umbrella. Now when do you use an umbrella? We use an umbrella when it rains. In which season do we get rain the most? It is in the monsoon season. So the correct answer is umbrella, monsoon. Third one, rainbow. Now when do you see a rainbow? A rainbow usually occurs after the rains, isn't it? So you can see a rainbow in the spring season. That is the most pleasant season, when all the rains are over, all the trees are blooming with flowers. So that is when you can see rainbow. Now the second one, fourth one, windy season. So when it is the most windy, usually rain is accompanied with winds and thunder and lightning, isn't it? So windy is associated with monsoon. The next one is cloudy. So when do you see clouds? We see clouds before the rains, isn't it? Before raining, if you look at the sky, you can see the sky would be filled with clouds, isn't it? So cloudy is associated with the monsoon season. Next one, skiing. Look at the picture. Have you seen this person skiing? In which climatic condition is it possible? When there is snow, isn't it? When does snow come? It comes in the winter season. So the correct answer is skiing in winter season. Next one is raincoat. Raincoat. When do we use a raincoat? We use a raincoat in order to get protection from the rain, isn't it? Instead of an umbrella. So that is in the rains come in the monsoon season. So we use raincoat in monsoon season. Next one, woolen clothes. As you can see in the picture, it is a picture of some woolen clothes, especially blankets and even sweaters and all, right? When do you use all these? When you feel really cold, isn't it? When do you feel cold? We feel cold in the winter season. So the answer is winter season. Next one, picnic. Now when do you decide to go for a picnic? When there is no rain, when it is not too sunny and you have a very pleasant atmosphere, we decide to go for a picnic, isn't it? So that happens in which season? It is in the spring season. Next one, cold drinks. We all know about cold drinks, right? Lime water or fresh juice like watermelon juice and all. These are all cold drinks. When do we drink a lot of water? When we feel hot. When do we feel hot? We feel hot in the summer season. So cold drinks we drink in the summer season. The next one is blanket. So as I said before, when do we use a blanket? We use a blanket when we feel cold, isn't it? And we feel cold in which season? In the winter season. So blanket is associated with winter season. Next one is ice cream. When do we have? We can have an ice cream anytime, any day, isn't it? But that is not. When we have the ice creams the most, when we are having summer season, when we feel hot. In winter, when it is cold, if you eat ice creams, you may fall ill. So you must have ice creams in the summer season. Next one, hot. Yes, we feel hot in the summer season. So hot is in the summer season. Cotton clothes. Now what type of clothes do you wear when you feel really hot? We wear loose clothes and we wear cotton clothes. that will help us from reducing the heat, isn't it? If you wear woolen clothes and all, you will get more hot. So instead of that, we use cotton clothes. In which season? In summer season. Now feeling cold, we feel cold in which season? In the winter season. And the last one is pleasant. We say pleasant smell, pleasant atmosphere, isn't it? We feel most happy when there are flowers blooming, pleasant atmosphere. All this happens in which season? In the spring season. So this is all in this chapter. All of you must read the chapter very well and learn all what is given in that. See you in the next class. Thank you so much.